Hello guys, Damodoc82 here once again. First off, I just want to say thank you guys. It's good being back. I can't remember the last time I've gotten this many views on YouTube. As of right now, it's like 84, I believe, which for me that's actually pretty awesome because I usually get around 20 to 30 depending. Also, I got like 11 likes. So with that being said, I have uploaded the gunship onto the Steam Workshop for you guys to play with. Do bear in mind that it is a 2.4.9 version design, so it may not work in the current version, but you could probably get it working in the current version with a little bit of effort. But anyway, yeah, thanks a lot for all the attention the first video has been getting. So I want to see if we could repeat some of this. If you guys can get me at least 10 likes here, I'd like to show off one of the airship cruisers that I've been working on. I call it the Repentless Heavy Air Cruiser, or Air Heavy Cruiser. I think some of you will be pretty impressed with it. Some of you on my Discord have probably already seen it. But I'd be giving you guys a bit of a tour of the inside of it to show you the inner bits and gubbins, how things are working in it, maybe some combat testing live, and I will put that at the start of the next video for you guys. So yeah, 10 likes and give you a sneak preview of my new heavy cruiser airship. I think that's fair, right? Okay, so moving on to the build, just a quick recap. Last time I did a little bit of hull work trying to get a general shape for this thing. We also mounted a 500mm by 6m APS, and it's going to be using a Heshi combo, something that's worked really well for me in the past and I just kept on using. And we also got to start on some laser cannons and the spin blocked wings, and we added some initial thrusters. So this time around in this particular video, I added some forward-facing hover AI. We also added 2 fuel engines, one very efficient fuel engine for basic movement and just getting from A to B. Some additional fuel engine here will be for powering up the lasers and the shielding that'll be added to this eventually. And let's see here, after that we actually got the gunship flying. I'm just reading this off a list here. Anyway, I added some missiles in this video. Some, like, I think it's 4 large HE missiles, and 8 medium EMP frag missiles. I should note that in the final version of this off-camera, I reduced the amount of warheads on the missiles to 1 and made the medium missiles 1 meter smaller, so that way I could save a bit on material and ammo cost down the road. We also added 2 forward-mounted twin 100mm cannons. They use APHE and have an inertial fuse. The 500mm APS, we armored that up with some heavy armor. We added a laser cavities, laser pumps, regulator, the frequency doublers, and off camera I went and added a destabilizer to either one of the lasers, so that way I could just get a little more power out of it, which was actually a lot of power. I believe it went from like 4,000 damage to about 750 damage, so almost nearly doubling it. I was really pleased with that. And this is just with one destabilizer. I thought it was amazing. I need to play with those more. Anyway, also in this video I did a little bit of early combat testing, just to see how the weapons were working and how well it maneuvered, things like that. We added some thrusters to where this thing would be able to move backwards. We also started some initial work on the suite where the AI is going to end up residing. I added some internal detection to the wings using some coincidence rangefinders. I believe I used the unarmored 9-meter ones. We added a bunch of ammo processors because this thing is just going to be chewing through so much ammo using these missiles. And we also placed a permanent ammo storage that we armored up with heavy armor. The ammo that I put into the first video, that was just temporary to test out the main gun. So, what else here? There was some issues that was going on with the spin block mounted wing. I believe it was on the left side. And I had some trouble trying to prefab the right one and transferring it over to the spin block on the left side. Took me several tries to get that, actually. Kind of a pain in the butt. Let's see here. We also added some turning thrusters to the front of the airship. There's 3 on each side, and those will be mimicked over. You'll hardly ever know that they're there. We added some material storage, some fuel storage, the 500mm APS got some constraints put on it because it kept having issues with shooting the cockpit. Yeah, we don't want that kind of thing going on. And I think some of the last things I did during this video was some tweaking with the AI. I was trying to get it to fly to the left and right while facing the target, and I was able to make it to where it rolls when it goes left and right. Looks pretty cool. So yeah, that's a bit of a brief rundown of the things that we worked on in this video here. So I think I will just wrap it up here and let you guys finish watching the rest of it. Again, thanks for all the support so far, and I hope I can get at least another 10 likes out of you guys so we can try to do some more cool stuff. Hope you enjoyed the upload to the workshop here. It's been a long time since I did that, and I wasn't entirely sure if it was still going to work on this version from the depths. But, with all that being said, I'd like to thank you all for watching. You guys have yourselves a hell of a day, and keep your hammer high. Later.